Bryn asks here, is tarot a reliable source of information for life's questions? Keen to know whether you use this method. So I don't use tarot. Um, if somebody pulls a card and says, "Hey, I think this card will speak to you" or whatever, I'll read it, and it typically does, but not part of my life. This is my take on it. We have our intuition, and we have direct access to source, to infinite intelligence, to wisdom, to responses, to answers, to clarity. Sometimes direct access is a little challenging for some, and so we use these intermediary mediums, tools, just to make it a little easier and to facilitate a little bit more of a clear um, reception of information. And so for some, the tarot, the symbols, the ritual, um, the belief, the context around it, maybe even the fun of it just allows that channel to open up to receive the information. And that's valid. As long as we see that it's not actually the tarot that's giving the message. The tarot is just the context, the medium through which the message comes through. And you can actually circumnavigate the tarot and just receive the message intuitively directly from the source, right? And so the same goes for any of these other mediums as well. Like, people will read tea leaves or look in a crystal ball. It's just making it a little easier to tap into intuition. For me in particular, I actually find all of that stuff to be too confusing, too complicated. It feels like there's a learning curve. You could even argue, I feel like I gotta, go out and buy stuff. So I'm just like, no, I'll just relax my body, calm down, open myself up, and see what comes through. So that's the way that I operate. I find that to be simpler. But for others, they may find that using tools is more easy and simple. Now, of course, I know that with the tarot, there's like a very rich history. There's certain archetypes and energetic qualities to it. It's also a language that can be communicated amongst different people. Whereas my intuition, I may receive something that's very specific to me, and the way that it comes through is specific to me, and maybe I can't easily share that with others. Whereas, with the tarot, if you pull up a particular card, somebody else that's into tarot knows that card, and they're like, "Oh, that's an omen," or "Oh, that's a really good card that you pulled today." You don't have to explain much more. They know the language, so that's something as well. I would say if you're into this type of thing, use it, and if it's reliable and it works for you, great. But just don't give your power away to the tool. Use the tool to show you what your innate power is, and then perhaps at times you can circumnavigate the tool altogether and just tap into direct knowing yourself. So I hope that can help you. And the Kundalini will is the source of all of this, and that's what's awakened within us, right? All of these things came out of inspiration through somebody who was, in touch with the creative force of Shakti, and we have that awakened within us. So in essence, what I'm trying to say is you can make your own tarot. You can make your own means of communication as well, because that's where this came from. That's where it came from, right? Hope that can help.